Hey, welcome back. So, as I explained in the previous clip, this is another edge parity that I'm solving, and I'm going to create the edge parity now. So, for you to create the parity, you do just the reverse step of what we did before. So, you need to rotate this and then do the edge swap. And if you swap these two edges, the orange will be here and red will go here. The red and yellow will come here, the orange and yellow will come here. Once this is here, if you do a swap with this base, for example, just imagine this, you have this and you have this at the back, and then you rotate the swapped ones. So then what happens is the red will actually would have gone the first time here, and then when it comes here the orange will be rotated, so this will become parity. That's what you're going to do. So just trying to explain you the theory, but in practice this is what you're going to do. For you to create a adjacent parity, you need to do the first step of creating the edge swap parity using the UU2 RR2 U2 small r2, and then again U2, and then RR2 UU2. So this, you see that it created the edge parity. So now it has swapped. Now you are going to make this rotate. Keep one of the sides. It doesn't matter whichever side it is, because anyway you are going to have one side swap. So you keep this, and then you keep this blue to the back. When you bring the swap with using the now anti-clockwise, this will come here, the green will go here, and the red will go here, which means the blue will remain as it is. The blue that you are seeing here will remain as it is, and red will come here, which makes these two edges to be formed, and these two will become parity. So that's what you're going to do. We do it with the F2 U R L prime, F2 L prime R U2 R L prime, F2 L prime R U F2. So now you see that it has scrambled, but it has actually corrected the red because it made a swap. So now the blue is correct, red is corrected, but these two are swapped. So this is your adjacent parity that I was telling. So this is happening. It happens when we solve it, but it is sort of rare, but it is not coming frequently. But I've seen that happening many times. I just realized that we need to include it. So how do we solve this? Exactly the same pattern. You keep this with a 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock where the edge to be solved, kept it at 3 o'clock, and then do the same reverse of whatever you did now. Do a UU2 RR2 capital U2, and then the third layer R2, then again the capital U2, then do an RR2. Now you did the UU2. So by the time you did it, you have already, this is in the same position, but you made a complete anti-clockwise swap, right? So this has come here, and this. So now if you do just imagine an anti-clockwise. This goes to the red, goes to this place, it will be solved. Green comes here, it will be solved, and orange comes here. So all we are going to do is again the F2 swap, where you rotate the three edges anti-clockwise. F2 U R L prime, F2 L prime R U2 R L prime, F2 L prime R U F2. So now you see that the edges are solved. So this is another type of parity that could happen in an even cube primarily, and I have not seen that happening in a 5x5. Maybe I don't remember seeing it, but if it happens in a 5x5, again the same logic may not be applicable because there is a central layer there. So I have not seen that happening in 5x5, but it happens in a 6x6. I have seen this happening in a 6x6, where this edge and this edge gets swapped, or the adjacent edges. So do try it, and in case you are stuck with this parity, I hope you will be able to use this algorithm to solve this. I will also put the algorithm in the description so you can have a fair idea of how to solve this. So good luck to all of you in your pursuit to solve the 4x4, 6x6 and other things. For those who are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I see a lot of activities, a lot of people seeing this. Thanks for all those people who are seeing it. And if you subscribe, you'll also get to know about the upcoming upcoming things that I'm doing. I'm planning to do, as I said, the harder ones now. So my next target is the gear ball or the mega minx that will be explained by my boy. So this is the pipeline ones. I'll go to that in a sequence, but for people who are visiting my channel, please pass on your comments and do subscribe for getting the updates. Thanks and have a great day there. Bye bye.